everyone, welcome to our Coinmans Global YouTube channel. Today we will talk about what is an NFT, how to use Opensea, or how can we create, buy and sold NFT. But before we move on the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notification on to see more video like this. Now let's just jump on to our video. Firstly, I wanna talk about what is an NFT, non-fungible token. NFTs are tokens that we can use to represent ownership of unique items. They let us tokenize things like art, collectibles, even real estate. They can only have one official owner at a time and they are secured by the Ethereum blockchain. No one can modify the record of ownership or copy-paste a new NFT into existence. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible is an economic term that you could use to describe things like your furniture, a song file, or your computer. Or these things are not interchangeable or other items because they have unique properties. So what we need to know about NFTs? NFTs are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on blockchain and cannot be replicated. NFTs can also function to represent individual identities, property rights, and more. So I think we learned what is an NFT. Now let's talk about Opensea. Opensea, the world's first and largest digital marketplace for crypto collectibles and non-fungible tokens. Buy and sell and discover exclusive digital items such as NFTs. So if you want to make an NFT or sell or buy NFT, you should use Opensea NFT platforms. For using Opensea, once you have set up your wallet of choice, connect it to Opensea by clicking the wallet icon in the top right corner. Let's learn about wallets Opensea support. For using Opensea, you can use MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask wallet and if you don't know how to use MetaMask wallet, you can search on our Coinmans Global YouTube channel. Come to YouTube channel and write MetaMask. When we write MetaMask, you can watch this video how to set up MetaMask and how to use MetaMask wallet. Then come to Opensea website and connect to your wallet to Opensea. When I click to on the right corner, as we can see, MetaMask said connect your wallet, and I choose MetaMask for using Opensea. When I choose the MetaMask, Opensea sent us to notification, and I click the next button and I click connect button. When I connect to my MetaMask wallet, I can see my NFT and we can buy NFT with using Opensea platform. Essentially, any digital image can be initialized as an NFT, but there are few things considered when buying one. Especially if you are a newbie, you will need to decide what marketplace to buy from, what type of digital wallet is required to store it, and what kind of cryptocurrency you will need to complete the sale. When I come to Opensea main page, individual friends, Borutape Yacht Club, blah blah blah, I can see so much different NFT. If you want to buy NFT, firstly you need a MetaMask wallet and go to Opensea and connect your wallet. You need some Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, don't worry, it is so easy. You can get Ethereum, the digital currency that puts transaction onto Ethereum blockchain from digital currency exchange like Binance. If you don't know Binance, come to our YouTube channel and write Binance so you can see Binance tutorials. When you watch this video, you will learn how to send Ethereum from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. When you send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, come to Opensea main page and choose an NFT project that you want to buy. So I want to buy these NFTs, CloneX Takashi Murakami. When I click the CloneX Takashi Murakami, we can see the floor price. What is an floor price? The floor price is an NFT market is the lowest price of any NFT within certain category. This doesn't necessarily mean that you should go buy the cheapest NFT out of the entire project. Find the category you want to invest in. For example, the rare NFT from the project. Buying the floor works well because it is an approachable entry point for new people joining the project. Cheaper NFTs fit into a larger number of potential buyers. Bank growth and benefits from increased visibility due to markets sorting NFTs from cheapest to most expensive. As demand for a project increases, the floor price for investable categories is often quicker to rise than moderately priced NFT. And we can see how many owners from this NFT and we can see Ethereum volume traded. Now we clicking the activity button button, we can see all the sale about CloneX project. There is a sale 1 minute ago, 12.5 Ethereum from this wallet to this wallet. And also you can search sale by clicking the activity button. Now let's look at here. If you want to buy now, you should click buy now button. If you want to buy minimum price, you should select it low to high, and you can see cheapest NFT. If you need to some properties from NFT such as accessory, clothing or eye color, you can choose the eye color from here. Now I can choose closed eye and rainbow color. When I choose this item, I can see just 3 NFT. 3 NFT meaning is rarity NFT from this project. So the price is going to up, such as we can see 119 Ethereum. And also if you want to learn more info about this project, you can use here for website or Discord or Instagram or Twitter. So for buying NFT, I choosing the cheapest price of the project. When I click this NFT, I see buy now button. When I click the buy now button, we should click here by checking this box, I agree Opensea terms of service. When I click this button, we should click to confirm checkout. But now I can't click the confirm checkout because my Ethereum is not enough for this NFT project. Now I am changing my Ethereum wallet to my another Ethereum wallet. Now come to Opensea main page and I am searching some NFT project. Now I see Clark Friends project and I click. I see floor price is 0.2 Ethereum. Now I can buy this NFT and I click buy now button and price low to high. Now I click this, then I click buy now button. We can see the creators fee. This is for about creators. For buying, I should click the confirm and checkout button. When you click the confirm and checkout button, you will see MetaMask notification and then you have to click connect button for buying this NFT. When you click to this connect button, you will have this NFT. Now we learned how to buy NFT. So let's learn how to sell NFT. For selling NFT, NFTs are also sold on marketplace and the process can vary from platform to platform. You will essentially upload your connect to a marketplace, then follow the instruction to turn it into an NFT. You will be able to include specifics such as the description of the work and suggested pricing. Most NFT are purchased using Ethereum. I clicked this button for see our NFT and then I see my Adidas NFT. When I click to my NFT, in the right corner I see sell button. When I click the sell button, we should decide our NFT price. I wanna sell this NFT nearly 2 Ethereum. I write 2. We see duration button. When we click the duration button, we can choose date range 7 day, 1 day, 3 day or 1 month. I choose 1 month. When we start sale, today 5 March, I choose 5 March, ending 4 April. So I close the duration and I should click the complete listing button. When I click the complete listing button, I see MetaMask notification for initialize your wallet. Initialize your wallet just one time. To get set up for selling on Opensea for the first time, you must initialize your wallet, which requires a one-time gas fee. On MetaMask notification, I see gas fee about Ethereum. So we should click the confirm button. Now I click the confirm button. When I click the confirm button, as we can see, register proxy pending on Opensea. Now we can wait this process. I see notification, signature request, and I click the sign button. When I click the sign button, your item is now listed for sale. You can share your Twitter or Telegram, and I click the view item button and I see my item. The Adidas NFT's floor price is 1.2 Ethereum and I want to sell 2 Ethereum my Adidas NFT. Now we learned how to sell NFT. I'm going to go to my Opensea account and then we can see listing category. When I click the listing category, I choose active button and I can see my Adidas NFT sale. Now if you want to cancel this NFT sale, we can click the cancel button. When we can click the cancel button, we can see MetaMask notification. I choose confirm and I am waiting to this process. Now MetaMask say your listing was cancelled successfully. Now we can learn what is an NFT, how to use Opensea NFT platform, how can we buy NFT and how can we sell NFT, and also we learn how to cancel our listing NFT. Now we will learn how to make an NFT on Opensea platform. For make an NFT, anyone can create an NFT. All that's needed is a digital wallet. For this video, we use MetaMask digital wallet, a small purchase of Ethereum and connect to Opensea NFT marketplace platform. For you will be able to upload and turn the connect into NFT or crypto art. That is simple, right? I click the create button on the right corner. When I click the create button, I can see image. I have to to upload image from our computer to here. I choose it our Coin Mühendisi global logo. We should write what is an item name. I write Coin Mühendisi. We can write external link. What is the external link? Opensea will include a link to this URL on this item's detail page so that users can click to learn more about it. You are welcome to link to your own web page with more details. So I can add here our YouTube channel link. I pasted our YouTube channel link. We should write the description about our NFT. The description will be included on the item's detail page underneath its image. Markdown syntax is supported. I just write Coin Mühendisi YouTube channel. Now, if your NFT project have properties, you can add properties from clicking the plus button. It can be about character or mail. You can write your properties show up underneath your item, are clickable and can be filtered in your collections sidebar. You can add levels, numerical traits that show as a progress bar. If you want to add levels, you should click the plus button. Here, levels show up underneath your item, are clickable and can be filtered in your collection sidebar. It is about speeds or attributes. And also you can add the stats for your NFT. If you want your NFT include unclaimable content that can only be revealed by the owner of the item, you should click this button. Now my NFT supply just one. We have to choose blockchain, Ethereum or Polygon. I choose Ethereum. I click to create button. When I click the create button, my NFT created as a Coin Mühendisi. Again, we can share our Twitter or our Telegram or Facebook. I close this. I see my NFT, who I made NFT. Now we can edit our NFT description or information, and also we can delete our NFT. If you want to sell this NFT, just click the sell button and select fixed price. Write how much price this NFT. I write 1 Ethereum. Duration, I choose 7 days. You can choose 1 day or 3 days or 1 month. And also I click the complete listing button and I see MetaMask notification on the right corner. Now we have to sign button for selling this NFT. Okay guys, this video we learn what is an NFT, how to use Opensea platform, how to make an NFT and how to sell and buy NFTs. I hope it was a useful video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our Coin Mühendisi global YouTube channel and turn the notification on to see more video like this. Stay well, goodbye.